Ladies and gentlemen, I once spent a weekend in a friend's DIY camper made from an old delivery truck and 2 rolls of duct tape. The bed folded over the sink, the toilet was next to the microwave, and the air conditioning was just rolling down the windows and praying. So believe me when I say, there are tiny houses, and then there's the Jordy. This 23-foot marvel out of Australia isn't just a tiny home, it's a spatial sorcery trick wrapped in smart design, and I think it's one of the best uses of under 8 square meters I've seen in a long time. Before I get too deep into the glory of this mini mansion, do us both a favor, hit that subscribe button. You'll get more laughs, more RV reviews, and fewer suggestions from the algorithm to watch another guy build a cabin with only a spoon. Now, let's talk numbers. The Jordy measures 23.6 feet, 7.2 meters, long, 7.8 feet, 2.4 meters, wide, and towers at 14 feet, 4.3 meters, high. The starting price? 125,000 Australian dollars, which is around 79,000 US dollars or 73,000 euros. Honestly, for what you get, that's a steal, and no, I don't mean the kind of steal where your neighbor Gary borrows your lawnmower and never returns it. What makes Jordy a standout is the clever use of layout. Most tiny homes just toss everything in a straight line like a sandwich of chaos. But Jordy's got a widthway kitchen, yes, you heard me, a kitchen that stretches across the width of the house instead of the length. That may not sound revolutionary until you realize how open it makes everything feel. I walked in and thought I'd taken a wrong turn into a high-end studio apartment. The kitchen island isn't just for show. It serves as prep space, dining bar, and storage, all while still leaving enough room for your elbows and a snack-induced happy dance. There's even room for a full-size fridge. Behind the kitchen? A full-width bathroom with a modern shower so nice I didn't want to leave it, and I wasn't even wet. The living area? Massive for a tiny house. Big windows let in natural light, and the glass sliding doors blur the line between indoors and nature. It's cozy, but not cramped, like a cabin built by someone who's actually lived in one before. And the loft bedroom? It's private, it's smart, and it's got storage galore. I like the built-in bedhead compartments the most, perfect for hiding your phone, snacks, or the remote you keep losing. Accessing the loft is pure genius, a foldable ladder that tucks away when not in use. I believe this little detail says a lot, it's all about functionality without the eyesore. And for those of you worried about the elements, don't. This house was made for Australia's wild weather, with high insulation and bushfire-resistant material. Basically, it's tougher than that guy who insists on wearing shorts in winter. So, if you're looking for a tiny house that's smart, efficient, and actually livable long-term, the Jordy is worth every centimeter. It proves you don't need 3,000 square feet to feel at home, you just need good design, a smart kitchen layout, and preferably a neighbor who doesn't steal your Wi-Fi. And hey, if this made you laugh or think about downsizing your life, or at least your clutter, become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's less than I spent last week on a gas station sandwich I immediately regretted. The link's under the video, folks.